What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love and major blessings. Hope y'all are doing good and staying super blessed. Today I got another video for you guys. We are over here at DynoComp. Got the tech here. Daniel, want to say what's up, man?
Hey, my name is Daniel. I work here at DynoComp. We're going to be removing this old splitter real quick and then installing the new one. Yeah, a little flimsy.
Little flimsy, little messed up, as I explained in previous videos, you guys. But basically, we're going to be taking off, like I said in the other video, the Flow Design splitter and replacing it with the FS Performance Engineering splitter, which is a more reinforced splitter, which will handle the downforce more, which is more durable, you know, all that, etc. So before we start, you guys, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll always be alerted for future uploads like this. This is Skylyfe Projects. Much love, major blessings. Here we go. Just want to say, you guys, we are keeping the front splash shield right here on each side, but everything else is going to be removed, and it's see all this space right here with the air. This is obviously going to be buttoned up. So just wanted to show you guys that. Just sizing everything up here. There we go. Sorry, the mic. Just sizing everything up here, you guys, with the new splitter, as you can see. There's the rest of it on the ground right there. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Looks a lot. Oh, I'm sorry, actually, I apologize. That's the Flow Design splitter right there. I think they got everything up there now. But as you can see, it's definitely a two-person job here. Mocking it up, sizing it up. That's what it looks like under. Can't get in their way too much, but yeah. Put it down in the comments what you guys think.
What's up with the Batman?
All right, y'all, so here it is. Just we're finishing putting on the pan, just a moment, but will that work, the pan?
Yeah, it should. Yeah.
Okay.
It just you got to get it out of the way.
Look how solid this is.
Yeah, that shit's sturdy.
It is not going anywhere. Look at this, you know. Look, it doesn't even move. I mean, it's literally, what would you compare this to? Like Battle Arrow, Race
like
Bread. Yeah.
Billet splitter right there.
Look at that, fully billet. See the difference, you guys? This is what I was trying to tell you guys before. Look at the difference in the hardware. And he used longer bolts too to go through the carbon. So this is definitely some custom stuff. But yeah, look at that.
And then you got your little logo
oh my
plate right
God,
here too.
bro. Yep, right here. Yep. And then you guys can see right there, FSPE. See, as I was saying, there's the air dam board right there. So look, there's no space. All that space is right there under the carbon where it's supposed to be for the downforce, right? Right, man? That's where it's supposed to be. and then over here, solid.
Gotta let that airflow.
Yep, gotta let the air flow through right there. So it's got 2 air openings, right?
Yeah,
2.
Here and on the other side.
On that side, okay. Oh yeah, I see it. Okay, I see what you're saying right here a little bit.
Yeah, for that plate in the middle.
Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'll show you when it gets on the ground, and we'll end the video here. Thank you, man, so much. We're just gonna get the pan on real quick. Obviously, we've done that plenty of times. So, all right, y'all. Be back in just a moment. All right, y'all. So that is it. That is the install. Took about 2.5 hours. It is, let me take this off. It is the FS Performance Engineering front splitter. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like installed fully on the vehicle right now. I do highly recommend that if you do purchase this splitter for your own vbwrx years 22 to 25, whatever model, it doesn't matter if it's a TR, a TS, a limited, a base, a premium, I think I'm missing one, GT, doesn't matter which model, it'll fit everything. But the point is, if you do plan on purchasing this splitter, please keep in mind it is not a novice install. It is pretty advanced. It does take some technological work. You got to have the right tools, everything like that. It is super hot out here. My glasses keep falling off my face. But you guys, much love, major blessings. This is another video with Skylyfe Projects. I'm going to take the camera around here right now and just show you what it looks like as the final product being installed. Special shout out to DynoComp. Thank you so much for letting me film in your facility in the Bay. Definitely got some great shots, got some underwork shots as well. I appreciate it. I got as much footage for you guys as I can. If you do have any questions, comments, concerns about the video, please drop them down below. Smash that thumbs up button, and let's take it around here. It's going to be kind of hard to see in the light and how much sunlight there is, I should say. But as you guys can see, let me see if I can actually zoom in here, bro. Like, there we go. So as you can see, it's definitely a thick splitter. It is aluminum, and it is super thick right here, very thick. I love it. I think it looks great. I especially like that middle plate with the FSPE insignia going on right there. So right here, it's a 2-piece splitter that attaches it. They did an awesome job on installing it. You guys, I'm going to show you. Look at this. It's not going anywhere. I mean, it is solid. You can literally stand on this with no problem. I probably wouldn't do it with the carbon, but I imagine if you didn't have the carbon, you know, it might work. But yes, let me know what you guys think. I'm getting all the angles here. Check out the sides right there as well. Right here. So those are added pieces. You can add those in your package. You can deselect them. You can select them. Thank you so much for FS Performance Engineering. You guys, I'm going to throw their information up right here, right there. There's all their information. If you guys have any questions, like I said, any comments, let me know what you think. And that is the video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Stay tuned for next video. Much love. Major blessings, you guys. Skylyfe Projects. Here we go.